How to play the crew with friends or cross-platform. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to play with your friends on a different platform. Now first, on a regular basis, what you want to have to do is to open up the game, and from your home screen or from your dashboard on the crew 2 is you just hover your mouse or click on the activities tab. Now from activities tab, just choose on online play and you will be redirected into your own lobby. From there, you just go ahead and invite one of your friends on the crew too, or maybe from Steam, and you can go ahead and play with them. However, for cross progression or cross platform, the crew 2 does not support these kind of features. What you can only play is on the same platform. And that's it. That's how you play with friends on the crew 2.